The next practice is for the neck area, neck and shoulders, which just like the short practices and videos on the lower back and the middle back, can help with the breath, with our posture, with comfort and discomfort in anything we do. So for this one, you can remove the block you might normally use under your head in yoga practice and take either two small balls, medium-sized balls, or one bigger ball which would be partially deflated so it's not too high, to place under the curve of the neck, the cervical spine, and placing it in the area where your skull meets your spine as well. So the ball is supporting both the top of your neck and the base of the spine. The result should be that your head is slightly tipping down. So if you're using quite small balls, you may need a thin block or book as well. So you just want to make sure that your chin is at least slightly pointing down towards your chest, and of course that it's not uncomfortably squashed on your chest, so that makes it harder to breathe. So if you've got too high a ball, then let some air out, choose something smaller. And taking a moment to settle and let your head be heavy. Your exhalations will help with that. Placing the hands on the upper chest with the elbows on the floor. If you can find a comfortable position there, that's very helpful. Seeing if you'd like to bend your knees or straighten your legs, either is okay. Just depends on how your back is. It may help to close your eyes to allow your head to let go and relax, and to be a bit more aware of the back of your body, your neck, back of your skull, to paint a mental picture, stimulating the proprioception, the awareness of the position of the body and the sensations on the skin. And then on your out breaths, encouraging the upper chest to release down. Press very gently with your fingertips around the collarbones. Works very well on exhalations, and then on the in-breaths, releasing that pressure so you can breathe in comfortably and easily. Exhaling, releasing through the upper chest to the floor. You might like to gently press on the front of your shoulders. And then adding some micro movements of your head. Tiny rock from side to side. Tiny lifting and lowering of the chin. Maybe a small circle of your chin. And lying still again. out fully. And then removing the ball, resting your head on the floor, back on a block. Noticing the connection with the floor, resting your arms on the floor. Rolling your arms a couple of times, noticing how that feels. Changing your leg position from straight to bent knees or vice versa. Noticing how the rest of your back feels with that. Rolling your head, making a bigger movement from side to side. Nothing, if anything's changed. Releasing the neck in this way may be helpful for other parts of your back. It can also really help with the disembodiment we sometimes experience when we've been thinking a lot, planning a lot, on computers a lot. To move away from that, letting it go from the neck upwards, and feeling in a more embodied place in the whole body.